Shenzhen Jianyuanda Mirror Company Limited is a professional supplier of makeup mirrors with 12 years experiences in building mirror area. The company was established in 2006, with associated factory located in Shenzhen City, occupying an area of 4,800 square meters. Our product range covers Hollywood vanity mirror, bathroom LED mirror, LED makeup mirror. We have 200 mirror items for a customer to choose from. And we keep developing new products every month. The associated factory has its own mold tooling workshop, plastic injection workshop, printing and painting workshop, as well as final assembly and package line. We're able to provide one-stop service from designing new mirror, making new mold and injection to painting color, printing logo, and final assembly. Owing to our outstanding product quality, we have gained trust of many famous brands, such as Amazon, HSN, QVC, Avon, Estee Lauder, Disney, and Citizen. And our products are widespread in beauty accessory markets in Europe, America, East Asia, and many other regions. The associated factory was certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and audited by BSCI. Efficiency, integrity, innovation, mutual benefit, and common prosperity are always our top priorities. We always welcome your visit to our factory, and we look forward to our win-win relationship with you in the coming future.